Welcome back to Creating with Poetic Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize one of my graduation t-shirt templates in Canva. I'll show you how to change the colors, how to change your text, how to change your fonts, how to customize your image so that it can look very nice and brightly and vivid. Come, let me show you. Let's get to it. Yes, here are the files. When you order the bundle, you will get this. I'll show you how to customize them. I'll show you how to make your own colors in here, how to put it in the color you want. Okay, let's go to the first one right here. Okay, let me get out of here. Let's go to the first one. We're going to scroll up to the first one. I'm going to duplicate them. Okay, this one here. Here you can add your image, okay? You see the congratulations here. You can add your own color. You can change the color in here. For instance, let's go to the image first. I'm going to delete the image and I'll bring another image in. I'm going to show you something really quick. For instance, if you have a graduate like this one, let me see. Let's say a graduate like her, or maybe like her. Let's say you want these colors. I'll show you what to do. That's why you need to have Canva Pro. I have Canva Pro. If you need it, I will leave the link for you down below. 30 days free Canva Pro. Look, you can remove the background. Keep it selected. Click on BG Remover. It will remove the background for you. Okay, the background is removed. Let's go closer. Okay, the background is removed, so right here, and then we're going to edit. In here, you can go to the filters, okay, and then you can add a nice filter over your image. You can choose this one. You can choose this one. I love this one the most because it gives like a very nice filter over it, very nice color. Look, this is none, and then I put fresco. Look how beautiful it is. I would leave it just like here. I can also adjust it here. I think I love it like this. Okay, I'm going to drag it down, like bring it down here. You see here is on top of the page, the photo. Go to position and go to layers, and then we will scroll down, and we want it behind the photos here. We will drag them down there. You see it's behind the photo. The photos are on top. These are photo frames, okay? To use them, you need to have a background on your image. So you go back to your image. Let's go back to our image. It's right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag it into it. You see, it's right here. Your other pick on it, drag it in here. Your other photo that you have of your graduate, drag it. You see, now we have them in there. Okay, let's say we're going to change the background, the colors, okay? Everything. We have blue here. We might as well have here like gold. Let's see the gold here. Actually, I was going for the brush stroke. I'll go to position and I'll look for my brush stroke. And here it is. I see here blue, and I will put it this color. Okay. And the one behind it, let's say the one behind it, I will go to it and I will make it the blue. It's up to you what colors you want to choose. It's up to you. All yours. Okay. So now this here, the congratulations, I will make it blue. Like blue here. I love the blue. I'll go down here. I'll make this one blue also. Blue. Senior here. Blue. Okay. This here, you see the outline around it is in effects. Go to effects. You see here outline is red. We can make them blue as well, or we can make them gold. I think I'll keep it on the blue. You see that how you can change your own colors. The school's name, let's say I want to put in here Georgia University. I'm just putting something with, and then click out. If you want to change the colors, you can change the color. Select it, make sure you select it. Go in here, and then you see it's black. You can change the color. Let's say you want to change it to gold. It's up to you. Want to change it to blue, whatever color you want. Okay, I'll leave it on black. The name here, Roy James, is a girl's name. We have a girl. We need a girl's name in here. Let's say um Keisha Keisha Clark. Keisha Clark. Let's change this really quick. Drag them, make them smaller. If you don't like this font, you can keep this selected and go in here and look for a font that you love. Okay, a font that you love. Let's do Scrickland. Yeah, let's say we want the name like that. You can have it like this. Let's go up here. This is red. We don't want it red. I'll make it blue. Okay, let's go up. If you want the class off here in another color, make sure you select it. And here, everything is here. F is open. Only effect is selected. Go to effects, scroll down, and you see this is selected, right? Go down here, and now you can change the color in here. When you go in here, you see it is white. You can change it to blue. You can change it to gray. You can change it to green. It's up to you what color you want to put it in. Okay. In this case, I'll leave it on white. You can do whatever you want, but it's this one right here. The roundness of the corner of the thing, you can make the roundness. You can play with it and see what you like. Okay. This was very easy to edit. You see, we came from this guy, this here, to this. Okay, and let me tell you something. Because this is editable, you can use this every year for your business. We have 2026 5 here. You can change them to 2026. The year that's 7, 8, 9, 30, and then 30. You see that it will work. 25. Okay, yeah, you can use it for every year. One other thing, you see how this is here, like maybe you don't want the straight line down there. There's a way to change it. It's up to you if you want to use it or not, but I'm going to show you anyway. Let's go up here. Let's go to elements, scroll up to elements. Okay, go to elements right here, and we look for blur. Okay, let's go to see all, and we will choose this one. This, what I'm going to show you, you can use it for any other Canva project that you're doing. Okay, any other designing that you're doing. Let's go here. This one here, we will drag it down here. Okay, we won't leave it there. We will customize it. We will edit it very much so that it doesn't it changes. Okay, bring them here. Oh no, keep it here. Okay, then we will keep it selected and we go to edit, scroll down, and we go to this right here, dual tone. Okay, click on dual tone, and then we have different colors in here, but we do not have the gold. Don't worry, just go to custom, and this here we're going to select this one, and we're going to take the dropper and we go to our gold. Okay, and the first one turned to gold. We go to the next one, get the dropper again, go back to our gold. You see that it turned to gold. Okay, and now we are going to duplicate it because I think it's too thin. You see, we have it selected, yeah, and this is the plus. We duplicate it one more time. Now we will go over here in position. One is here and one is here. We want all of them together, and they should be on top of this, not on top of the other one, on top of this picture. So we're going to drag it to here, drag the other one. Oh, come on, where are you? Drag the other one here. They should be together. Okay, they are together, and then we're going to group them together. Okay, and now we're going to drag this one up to here. Okay, you see that? So this should be exactly on top of the image only. Okay, now we have have this right here. Let's see how we're going to fix them. Actually, we don't have to do anything with that part. No, we don't. You see now, it looks like a gradient. Like I don't know how to put it, but it's very nice. You don't have a straight line, but you have like a blur of the image into the design itself. I love it like that. And to change different colors in Canva, you can use this. Okay, you can use them, and also yeah, you can change all that. You can use them, and this is how we do it. And now, actually, this template I have made it on a 13 by 19 inch paper. Okay, if you want to customize it, like want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. You have to select everything. Okay, select everything, group them. Okay, group them, and in here you click on page, and in resize, okay, you can resize your page. Go to custom, and then you see 30 by 19, and then you wipe this out, and then you put your own design. Let's say I want it on 8.5 by 11, the width 8.5, and the height 11. Okay, and then I'm going to select this, keep it selected, and then we're going to click. Once I selected all pages, no, we're going to select only this one. So you can go in here and deselect everything. You see this is page 2, and you can click on current page, select that one, and click on done. And then it's so you're gonna change, customize, resize only page 2. Resize this design, and it will resize this design for us. You see in 8.5 by 11. Only this page is resized. Only this page is resized. Okay, the rest stays 13 by 19, and this one is only done. Okay, so you can change your colors on this template. If you want to learn how to make these templates, they are very easy to make. If you want to learn how to put them together, comment learn in the comment section, and I will send you the link to the class on how to make your own. These sell every year, let me tell you. They sell every year. If you have them to sell, you will make money. Every graduation season, these sell every time. Maybe they have other texts, but they sell every time. It's something that's not going away. They come back every year. So if you have yours to sell, you will make money every graduation season. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always come back for these amazing videos. If you want to learn Canva, type in learn in the comment section, and I'll send you the link to the class on how to make these files, because they come back every year. How to make your own so that you can sell them as digital products. Thank you so much for watching.